This is the Seagull Trail, starring Tony Garcia, Jimmy Deschamps, and Orion the T. Yo, man. So we're following this pretty dank trail. A seagull here. You see?
Crikey, look, the drunk one.
Crikey! The trail! I see it! I see it! Alright, we gotta continue on.
Yes, forwards. I see the trail. It goes farther ahead. Farther it goes. Yes. Wait, these trails are going backwards. No, this way. Reached another crossroads. Yes, the Seagull has gone this way.
I realize you're going back the same way we came because there's the mountain right there.
Oh no, we followed the same trail. We gotta find our way back.
I'll go from higher
Oh
ground.
wait.
Look.
Okay, I need. You see that place over there? You know.
The beach ditch.
No, under that there's water. There must be, because in GTA 5, I'm running my bike across here. It's the middle of the night. And I like to run the bike across here, and there's a jump at the very end. No, way over there, at the pier over there.
Whoa! Look at the water crashing up against the thing.
So yeah, there should be water down there or something, because I always crash in there and lose my bike.
Do you know what this mud puddle is over here? What the fence thing is?
Or we gotta find the Seagull Trail.
Right behind you.
We gotta follow our footsteps back. Seagull Trail. Final thoughts.
Seagull Trail.
Thoughts?
It's going to be dangerous. It's not going to be good. And I think.
We need ice cream.
Whoa, private jet.
Kanye is legit. Shoot down.